Okay, gagawa tayo ng ating tanghalian. Homemade burger. Yan, meron tayong sibuyas, kamatis, olives, ketchup, at mayonnaise. Tapos ito yung ating patties para sa ating burger. Okay, see you later. Tapos ito yung ating bun para sa burger. Medyo ito toast natin na kaunti. Okay, ito na yung ating patty. Ready to eat na siya. Okay. Okay, piniprepare na nila yung kanilang burger, yung aming tanghalian for today. Here's the kids and my wife. Me. There you go.
Hello vlog, good morning.
Good afternoon, actually.
Actually, good afternoon. Okay, ito. Ginagawa na nila yung kanilang burger. Okay. Oh, happy sila kasi burger ang tanghalian.
Opo.
Okay, enjoy your meal. Enjoy our meal.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe,
Like and subscribe.
like, and comment.
Thank you.